Here's how to delete your watched reels and clear your video history on Instagram. This works exactly the same whether you are using an iPhone or an Android device. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open your settings menu. Under the section called How You Use Instagram, tap on your activity. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Look for the option that says Watch History and tap on it. If you don't see Watch History here, your app might need an update. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update to the latest version. Once you're in your watch history, you'll see all the reels and videos you've recently watched. To clear them, tap Select at the top right, choose the videos you want to get rid of, and tap Remove at the bottom. Confirm the removal, and they will be permanently deleted from your history. If this video helped you out, check out the next video on your screen for more quick Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.